¿Cómo está? ¿Ça va bien? Et toi? I don't know. It is now the next morning, and we are just packing up to go. Hi. We had a good night. Slept pretty good. And now we're gonna head back into town to just refresh ourselves and deal with something with the Jeep or something. And then we're gonna go see if we can find another fire tower that Steve found online. So, and then we'll head back to Vancouver. That's the plan for today. So we are heading on Highway 8. We're crossing over to the other side of
bad area.
the Nicola Valley. This was one of the highways that would have been basically completely washed out back when the floods happened a year and a half ago.
Year and a half, yeah.
Yeah, so all of these sections, they're still not fully back to normal yet. There should be a section coming up that's like single lane still, so that'll be interesting to see what that looks like. I'm sure all of that over there was like completely like washed away.
Oh yeah, definitely that was
Wash
all
out.
wash out. Doesn't make sense otherwise. Why it would just like fall over like that?
Yeah.
But this was definitely just all gone here. You can see where the road like where could have been up there, all washed out.
Yeah, that's probably the road was probably up there. Crazy. You look far over there, just over by the ridge, you can actually see the remnants of part of the road, kind of right there-ish. But now it's here.
Yeah, because this road used to go along the east. East side of the river.
Yeah.
And now this is just like this would have been like just another access road. No, it used to be over there.
So I guess this is the single lane.
Yeah.
Bit.
It's crazy.
Crazy.
Oh, yeah, little bits of road over there too.
So that there would have connected with that there. And then on that like bluff, which connected over with that there.
Wow.
That's just like highway.
Yeah.
It's just a chunk of highway, just
chilling.
Yeah.
Floating. Barely.
Yeah. Wild. We are just entering the Cornwall Hills Forest Service Road, hoping to try to get up to Cornwall Provincial Park and Fire Tower. Someone's a little flower among the flowers. Yeah, are you a little flower? Are you a baby flower? Yes.
So we're almost at the top, almost at Cornwall. We're sitting at 2,089, but I think that's wrong because my elevation hasn't changed at all from when we left, because I know that this is supposed to be somewhere up at 5,000 or 6,000, I think. So what does this say? Maybe not 1,900 meters, I think it is.
Yeah, that's about right.
I'll have to convert that later. My elevation hasn't changed, so I don't know why. We saw one guy in a Subaru Forester who couldn't make it up. I guess there was sort of a moths. I guess there's
butterflies actually, not moths. So all butterflies.
Oh. There's a I guess it's sort of a gatekeeper, so to speak. At the very beginning, there's a bunch of deep, muddy ruts that we even bottomed out on, and we're stock Wrangler height, so. Well, we made it. Cornwall Lookout. 6,600 feet, 2,036 meters, and one long weekend. And a Jeep, of course. We couldn't have done this without all the Jeep. And I think even our we have a lift on here, 2.5 inch, with the stock size tires, and I don't think we would have made it up if it wasn't for the lift, because there's a few places that are you need a little bit of clearance. Like I said, we bashed our rock rails on the mud a little bit. They dipped them right in there, so definitely needed the lift. I would definitely say high clearance, stock Wrangler height, 10.5 inch ground clearance with low range to come up here, because it's fairly steep, and then that way you don't have to use your brakes coming down. But anyways, I'm gonna grab my camera, we're gonna take some pictures, and we'll do some more videoing. Found a neat little repeater system up here for the BC ambulance service. What else is up here? Not really much. Yeah, I guess not really all that much. Besides the view, so I don't know, maybe basically everything. I might have to grab my lens and take some long-range photography photos. Okay, let's go check out this, because this is pretty amazing. And now we're up here. Nobody around. Oh, there Leslie is. Oh, this reminds me totally of Nahatlatch. Holy! Wow! Unbelievable.
This one actually has a nice book that's been recently dropped off. It's been really good. Can you imagine if we got a Instagram follow? From here. That corgi's been here. I need to follow that corgi.
Yeah, right? This one's in good shape, though. It's just too bad it's missing the
Yeah, you could actually I think you could someone could fix this up and reactivate it if you had to.
Yeah. No, it's a good thing we did our thing. And there's a broom here, so you could clean up, and the floors are actually pretty nice. There's a chair. Other than the flies, a lot of flies in here, and there are a bunch of dead ones around here too. They must be getting in through somewhere, but I'm sure this place isn't perfectly sealed. Anyways, let's go get some pictures. Oops.
It's pretty cool.
I might go back and grab my maybe I'll set the tripod up and we can get a good picture of us standing out here.
There's a lot of shit that way.
Huh?
On the...
Oh, that's probably... Was this properly closed when you were here?
Yeah.
Well, it's not bear poop, so...
I don't know what it is, but there's a lot of it. So pretty. The wildflowers here are crazy. And the butterflies are crazy. You can pair it in two very different things. This is parent life. And this is videographer life. So it's like being a career mom. You got the baby in the arms.
Yep. By the way, I forgot to mention, it's only 12 degrees. Cooled down quite a bit up there. I forgot to say it was only 12 degrees up there.
Still feels warm though, on the skin.
Yeah.
It's quite nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. You would argue that maybe it's not, but it is. Ow. Ow.
Alright, so I'm done driving for a little bit. Well, probably most of the way. There's only 2.5 hours left. We're just in the canyon, 78 kilometers from Highway 1. So,
Like,
yeah.
78 from Hope.
From Hope. Saw lots of wildlife. I'd say it was a pretty good trip otherwise. We saw some bears.
I saw deer, coyote, owl.
Oh yeah, we saw an owl. That was cool. Eagles. Some flightless birds.
I got pheasant looking thing.
Uh-huh.
Prairie dog.
Yep, prairie dog.
Gopher.
Gopher, yeah.
A lot of...
Longhorn sheep.
Oh yeah. No,
bighorn.
Bighorn sheep. Bighorn sheep.
Some ants. I saw lots of ants. And
Butterflies.
grasshoppers. Oh yeah, butterflies.
Insane amount of butterflies.
Grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers. Yeah, there's a lot of grasshoppers at that one spot. It's like, whoa. A lot of wildlife.
Yeah. All over Canada Day, long weekend. 2 fire towers. I don't know, probably like almost 1,000 kilometers.
Pretty nice campsite.
I'd say a very nice campsite.
Yeah.
That was a very good campsite. I would go back. I mean, if we're in the area, I'm not gonna like, oh my god, we gotta seek out that one campsite.
But if we wanted to come back up here and explore a different area, well, I guess not up here, but like over on that side,
Yeah.
another area over there, then it would be an ideal spot for like that area.
Well, we saw all the like how much was actually washed out on that, what is it, Highway 8?
Yeah.
Which is pretty crazy.
I feel like the roads were like the off roads were like the right balance of challenging and easy.
Yeah.
Like for the most part easy, but just like a little bit of challenge. Which like I was saying to you before is like, I think what I prefer if we're gonna travel a long distance, I'm not going 4 hours to go off-roading to like have it take forever because it's so like challenging. You know?
Yeah, that makes sense. Now we have to wash the Jeep, and then I've got to clean everything in here because there's just everything here. Rory's like nose is all over this.
You basically lived in my lap
Yeah.
for 2 days. We just hit 130,000. That's it though, but it's constantly a visual distraction.
Hell yeah, it is. Uh-oh. Bet you it's a truck. Or, you know what? My guess is a camper. It's not even anything big. It's a cigarette butt. Because they're spraying down the shrubbery. Brush fire from cigarette butt.